The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A20 for Metric by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy A20 is found at Metric by T-Mobile. It's available now as of today, July 22nd, 2019. So yeah, this is Samsung. This is Metric's second Galaxy A phone within a week. They got the Galaxy A10 last Monday. So now they have the A20, which is a bit step up over the A10e in terms of specs and stuff. So yeah, that's the phone right there. The Galaxy A20 has a 6.4-inch display. It's an Infinity display. It has a 13 megapixel. I think it has dual cameras on back. I think 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel cameras. I think the dual cameras on back. We had 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. So that is it. No, mine. It's one camera on back. It's 13 on the back and 8. It's 8 in the front. I thought it was dual cameras, but it's not. It's one camera on front, one camera on back. So my bad. So that's the phone right there. Like I said, it does have a little notch there, teardrop notch, which is pretty nice. So you guys have the screen there, nice wallpaper and stuff like that. The Galaxy A20 is free. When you switch to Metric by T-Mobile, or it's $239.99 full retail price for this phone. So yeah, the price I guess isn't too bad considering the specs you are getting with this phone. So it is what it is. So on the right side you have your volume keys and the power key on the right side. And the left side you have your SIM card tray and memory card slot as well. So the battery is not removable on this one, so let's take a turn for a spin. So on the left, I think you have your SIM card on the left, which kind of hard to see. I think it's like right here in this area. So on the back of the Galaxy A20, it does have dual cameras on the back though. Did y'all see that though? Dual cameras on the back, camera flash, your fingerprint sensors right here, and you have the Samsung logo right there underneath. There's a right side, like I said, power and volume keys. On the bottom of the A20, you guys have a headphone jack, USB-C charging port, speaker. Flip it to the top, you guys have a noise cancellation microphone right there. And we're ready with the phone again. So step up to the phone you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A20. Keep calling, emailing, and texting with a long-lasting battery and power backup quickly with fast charging, which is a win. Keep more thanks to 32 GB of built-in memory, and capture the moment with the dual lens camera and view it all on the vibrant 6.4-inch edge-to-edge Infinity display. Finally, a phone that fits you and your budget. So it does have dual cameras on the back. You have an 8 megapixel front-facing camera though. Probably in the back is probably 13 to 5 in the back. I'm not really sure. So I actually was right. It does have dual cameras on the back. I actually was right. I was right then. I was like, no, right, it said 13 and 8, so I thought that had one camera on the back. It's actually just 2 in the back. So I was right. So it has 4G LTE, of course. It has a 6.4-inch Infinity display. It's 720p display. It's Super AMOLED. I think it's 720 by 1520 pixels. You have a 13 megapixel main camera with LED flash, plus 8 megapixel main-facing camera. Screen can double in brightness to serve as a flash for selfies. Has a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. It has a Samsung Exynos chip inside, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and it expandable up to 512 kilowatts. You have 30-day money-back guarantee, free shipping, and your credit check, of course. Y'all guys can get 2 of these phones for free. You really gotta switch to Metro Bay T-Mobile, so that's pretty fucking cool. So not a bad deal there if you guys want to check that out. It says plus sales tax and activation fee, qualifying rate required. So you'll need like the $60 fine or something like that to get this one, to get this one for free. Get 2 of these ones for free, so that's pretty cool. So not a bad deal there. Like I said, it's dual lens camera on the back, capture more of what you see in every shot, long lasting, fast charging battery, do more and power up quickly, infinity display, enjoy a vibrant edge to edge view. There's your battery size, 4,000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable. So you keep it in mind. Long lasting fast charging with an extensive 4,000 mAh battery. The Galaxy A20 keeps up with your fast paced life throughout the day and into the night. When you need a boost, power backup quickly with fast charging. A camera for any occasion. Featuring a dual lens, the Galaxy A20 is the only camera you will need. Capture more of what you see in every shot thanks to an ultra-wide camera. Shot scenic photos with a 13 megapixel rear camera, or take flighting selfies with an 8 megapixel front camera. Alright. See more on the expansive screen. Upgrade your view with a brilliant 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. Plus the large infinity display gives you edge to edge, so you'll never miss anything. If you guys want to check out this video, y'all guys can check it out right here. The specs on this phone are pretty good for what it is. This is a budget phone, but the specs on the phone are pretty good in my opinion. So the internal memory, like I said, state 2 GB of ROM. You get about 21 gigs available to the user. It has a 6.4-inch infinity display, Super AMOLED, that is HD plus, that is 720p by 1520p display, but I believe it is. You have a 13 megapixel rear facing camera with flash, 8 megapixel front facing camera. Screen can double in brightness to serve as a flash for selfies. You have 512 GB of micro SD expansion, global hotspot of course, 24.5 hours of talk time, Android 9.8 private Samsung One UI, 1.8 GHz octa-core processor Samsung Exynos. The Galaxy A20 weighs 6 ounces. There's your hearing aid and stuff like that. Accessories for the Galaxy A20. If you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A20, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A20 to get accessories and stuff like that. So there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy A20. Now available at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available for free when you guys switch to Metro. Watch $239.99 full retail price. So check it out, and y'all guys can get the Galaxy A20 free. Y'all can get 2 Galaxy A20s for free when you get a switch. So check the deal out. Not a bad deal there. So nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is. This is a budget phone, so yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.